If you're wondering how to store two-factor codes in a password vault, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to do it quickly and securely in just a few minutes, so you can make sure your accounts are protected and your codes are stored safely. Two-factor authentication, 2FA, is crucial for securing your accounts, but those codes can often get lost or forgotten. The solution? Storing them in a password vault where you can access them easily without compromising security. I'll walk you through the process step by step and show you which software we recommend for this task. Now, before we get into the tutorial, I've tested some of the most popular password vaults out there, and I'll be using one that I personally trust. I've also secured an exclusive free trial of this software for viewers of this channel, so make sure to check the link in the description to grab it and follow along with me. Alright, let's dive in. First, open your password vault software. If you don't have one yet, don't worry. You can still grab that exclusive free trial linked below. Once you're in, find the section where you store passwords or secure notes. Most vaults will have an easy-to-access dashboard where you can create new entries for all your sensitive data. Now, we'll add your two-factor authentication codes. For each service or account you use 2FA with, create a new note or entry within the vault. Name it something obvious, like Google 2FA or Facebook 2FA, so you can easily locate it later. Inside the entry, paste or type the two-factor code you're currently using. You can either store it as a static code if it doesn't change often, or if you're using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy, you can store the key that generates your 2FA codes. When you store a 2FA code or key in your vault, make sure the entry is protected with a strong master password. This adds an extra layer of security. You also want to make sure the software you're using has encryption to protect your data. The best part about storing your codes in a password vault is you can access them securely from any device. As long as you're logged into your vault, you can get your 2FA codes quickly. No need to dig through your email or your phone. Now, one quick tip. If your vault supports it, you can set up autofill for your 2FA entries. This makes the process even faster, so when you're logging in somewhere, your vault can automatically fill in the code for you. Just remember to double check that the vault's autofill feature is working correctly and securely. By now, you should have a good idea of how to store your two-factor codes in a password vault, and why it's an effective way to keep your account secure without worrying about losing those codes. Key takeaway. When you store your two-factor codes in a password vault, you not only make them more accessible but also more secure, protecting them from theft or accidental loss. To quickly summarize, you'll create a new entry in your vault, name it for each account you use 2FA with, store the code or key, and protect it with your master password. It's that simple. Before I wrap up, I want to remind you that you can get an exclusive free trial of the software we use today by clicking the link in the description. It's the best way to follow along and keep your codes safe in one secure place. Thanks for watching.